दिन में आप कितने रोल्स बनाते हो?
मैं 200 तक बनाता हूँ.
Hey guys, so right now we are at Kaman Ali's Big Fat Roll, and you guys can see this is the current vibe of this place, and we have a special offer for our audience. That is this big fat roll you guys will get for 100 rupees. You guys can see you must carry this particular note, this old 100 rupees note. If you guys get it, you will get this entire big fat roll for just 100 rupees, but make sure you get this particular note. And also, this is a roll worth of 140 rupees, which you're going to get it for 100 rupees. So make sure you come here and enjoy. तो दिन में आप कितने रोल्स बनाते हो?
मैं 200 तक बनाता हूँ.
200 रोल्स अकेले?
एक है हमारा हेल्पर है.
हेल्पर के साथ बनाते हो?
हाँ.
ओके. तो ये क्या है? क्रिस्पी चिकन?
क्रिस्पी हमारा.
So this offer is gonna run for a month since the date of upload of the video. The roll is size of my brother. Here you guys can see my brother and the roll. So here we can see customers building up, and the time is exactly 5, and you guys can see the crowd. The shop is filled with customers. Now we are shooting our reel, and you guys can see how the reels are shot. It's shot in my iPhone 14 Pro, and here we are setting up 6 rolls. You guys can see here the chef has already started to spread the mayo. So this camera was purchased yesterday, and we are already on the track to shoot. And this is the mic in which I'm shooting this entire video. You guys can see it's a DJI mic. You can see here how the shots. I'll zoom in and show you how the reel looks. Isn't it beautiful? That roll with this much filling, you're getting it for 100 rupees. And look at the lineup of the food. So much quantity and just 100 rupees. Isn't it worth it? So here the chef is melting the cheese. You guys can see here he's using the blowing torch and he's melting that. Mozzarella cheese है क्या? ये कौन सा रोल के लिए जाता है?
फायर कम रोल.
फायर कम रोल. ओके, तो रोल का नाम ही फायर कम रोल है. फायर भी चल रहा है. Perfect, perfect. The thick fat filling of the big fat roll, and it is, of course, it's very big and it's fat because you guys can see the quantity of the filling in this roll. Fold कर दो भैया सभी रोल को. So you guys can see the thickness of this roll. So the roll is ready. You guys can see it's grilled and it's charred and it's crispy from outside. See how juicy and cheesy this roll is. So the roll is ready and it's going to get served for the customers. Thank you भैया. And I'm not going to disturb their 200 roll process. So see you. So right now we are going to taste their multiple food. That is, we have here peri peri wings, and again their big fat roll. And here is that signature thick roll which we are going to give it an offer. And we also have multiple things here. So already my brother tasted few of the things when I was shooting inside. But yeah, this one thing I tried, I'll definitely order one more. What was this? Peanut butter Dubai. Now we are going to try their peri peri wings. It's hot and it looks charred. You guys can see how crispy it is. And now we're going to take the bite. It's spicy. You can feel that peri peri nut, and it's juicy, and you guys can see how soft it is. So if I twist it, the entire meat is ripping off. It's good. Now we are going to try their big fat roll. Which is this roll? The cheese one. So this is that fire cheese roll which I showed you in that cooking process. So let's go for it. It's a little bit cold, but definitely, even though it's cold, it should be tasty. That's the rule of a good tasty food. So it's almost like a big size. Let's go for it. No words. We have something called Durum Bites. You can see the unboxing. Here we go. Different flavor in this. And your French fries we have. And you will also get 2 dips. And this is like a roll split into multiple pieces. And it has its own vibe. Yeah, so I couldn't end that vlog right there in that location because I was getting late for my prayer. So I quickly had the food and I had to leave from there immediately. To end the vlog, I guarantee you that the place is amazing. It's amazing because its intention is for serving budget-friendly food in quality. So basically, affordable and quality food is what their motive is, and the taste is also amazing. The best part is when I checked in their menu, some of their products like juices starts just from 39, thick milkshake starts from just 69, and there are items even starting from 15 rupees. That was even more shopping. If guys are new to my channel, subscribe my channel because that's what will motivate us to get more such budget friendly content for you and help you save money. Thank you guys. Keep following, keep subscribing. Thank you.